Is your PC running slow with CPU usage packed at 100%? Here is a pro tip to reclaim your performance. First, you need to press Window plus R and type devmgmt.msc and click OK. It will open the device manager. Once there, scroll down and expand the system device, and now look for the high precision event timer. Right click it and select disable device, and now confirm the change by clicking yes, and then restart your computer. This trick can reduce system latency and micro-stuttering, leading to much smoother performance and a more responsive desktop experience. So give it a try and see the difference. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.